Hey everybody, let's talk about getting your finances in order. It all starts with a budget. You've heard me say it a million times. You gotta tell your money where to go. A budget is how you take control of your money instead of letting it control you. But here's the deal. So many folks make the same mistakes with their budgets, and that's what we're gonna dive into today. We're gonna walk through those common pitfalls, the things that trip people up, so you can avoid them and get on the path to financial peace. Are you ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start winning with money? Let's get started. You can't make progress if you don't know where you're starting from. Would you set out on a road trip with no map and no idea how much gas you had? No way! Yet that's what folks do with their money when they don't track their spending. Listen, I get it. Tracking expenses can feel about as fun as a root canal, but it doesn't have to be a pain. There are apps for that. You can do it the old-fashioned way with a pen and paper. Find what works for you and just do it. It's time to take control. Once you see where your money is actually going, you can start making changes and plugging those money leaks. You'll be surprised how much those little expenses add up. Remember, awareness is the first step to change. It's great to have big financial goals. I love it. Paying off debt, buying a house, retiring early, these are all fantastic aspirations. But here's the catch. You need a realistic plan to get there. Don't set yourself up for failure by creating a budget that's so restrictive, it's impossible to stick to. Life happens. You gotta factor in those unexpected expenses and a little fun money, or you'll end up throwing in the towel altogether. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency over perfection, my friend. Listen, unexpected expenses will pop up. It's not a matter of if, but when. Your car will break down, the AC will go out, you could lose your job. Life throws curveballs. That's where your emergency fund comes in. Without it, these unexpected events can derail your entire financial plan and send you spiraling into debt. Nobody wants that. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month. Having some money set aside for emergencies will give you peace of mind and keep you from making rash financial decisions when the unexpected happens. Think of your budget as a living document, not something you set in stone and forget about. Life changes, and your budget needs to change with it. Did you get a raise? Awesome! Put that extra money towards your goals. Did your rent go up? That's okay. See where you can cut back in other areas to make up for it. The key is to review your budget regularly. I'm talking at least monthly, and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and make sure you're still moving towards your financial goals. Listen, if you're the only one on board with the budget, it's gonna be an uphill battle. Get your spouse or partner on the same page and make it a team effort. Have regular money dates to discuss your financial goals and track your progress together. And don't forget to include your kids too. Teaching them about budgeting from a young age will set them up for financial success later in life. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about working together to achieve your dreams. There you have it. Now you know the most common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, building a solid financial future starts with a plan, and that plan is your budget. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks to take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, you got this.